Most important question of probability, class 11 probability exercise 16.2. This is the most important question. A die is thrown. Describe the events and a number less than 7. So we know in a die there is a 6 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to find any event a number less than 7. So event A equal to what? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the correct answer. Let us see the question. A die is thrown. Describe the events be a number greater than 7. So we know on a die there is a number 1 to 6. So we have to describe the events be a number greater than 7. So on the die there is no any number greater than 7. So B equal to what? B equal to empty set. This is the set, or you can write 5. So this is the B equal to empty set, or this is denoted by 5 also. This is the right answer. In point, let us see the question. This is the question. A die is thrown. Describe the event C where C is a multiple of 3. So we know a die thrown. So die have how many number? A 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to find the describe the event C where C is a multiple of 3. So C equal to what? So 1 to 6 number which is multiple of 3. So only 2 member, that is the 3 and 6. This is the correct answer. Let us see the question. The question is what? A die is thrown. Describe the events D where D equal to a number less than 4. So we know a die have 6 number 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So D equal to what? So D equal to a number less than 4. So our answer will be 1, 2, 3 only. So 1, 2, 3 is the D is the event having the number 1, 2, 3. This is the correct answer. Let us see the question. The question is what? A die is thrown. Describe the events and E and even number greater than 4. So you know die have 6 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So E is the event and even number greater than 4. So E event equal to what? Even number greater than 4. So only there is a 6. So only one member in the event. See, this is our correct answer. See the question. A die is thrown. Describe the event F where F is a number not less than 3. A number not less than 3. So we know a die have 6 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So F event equal to what? F event equal to a number not less than 3. That is 4, 5 and 6. This is the correct answer. Let us see the question. Question is what? A die is thrown. A number less than 7 and B is a number greater than 7. Then find A union B. For this type of question, first you find A is what? Number less than 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B is what? A number greater than 7. So there is not any number empty set. We have to find A union B. So A union B is write all the members of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And write the number of B which is not in it. So there is no any member. So this is the correct answer. Let us see the question. Question is what? A die is thrown. A number less than 7 and B a number greater than 7. Then find A intersection B. For this type of question, first you find what is the event A. So A is a number less than 7. So member will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B is a number greater than 7. So no any number. Now we have to find A intersection B. A intersection means what? That is the common between member of A and member of B. So here in B, no any member. So common you also no. So this is called empty set. So A intersection B is what? That is empty set. This is the correct answer. See the question. Question is what? A die is thrown where B a number greater, BJ event a number greater than 7. and C is a event a multiple of 3, then find B union C. So for this type of question, first you find what is the member of event B. So number greater than 7, so this is empty set. And C is the event having number multiple of 3. So only 2 member 3 and C. Now we have to find B union C. So B union C, we write all member of B. So B has an empty set. Now the member of C which is not in B. So this is 3C. So B union C is what? 3C. This is the correct answer. Let's see the question. Question is what? A die is thrown where event E an even number greater than 4 and F event a number not less than 3. Then find E intersection. For this type of question, first you find what is the member of event E. So even number greater than 4, that is only 6. And F equal to what? A number not less than 3. So that is 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to find E intersection F. Intersection is what? That is the common. So here 6 is the common. So our correct answer intersection F equal to 6. This is the right answer. Let us see the question. Question is what? A die is thrown where D is a event a number less than 4 and E is a event an even number greater than 4. Then we have to find D intersection E. For this type of question, see. So first is what? What is event D? What is the member? So member of D will be number less than 4. So number less than 4 means there is a 1, 2, 3 only. 1, 2, 3. And E is a event an even number greater than 4. So there is only 6. Now we have to find D intersection E. Intersection means what? That is the common. So what is the common between D and E? So there is no any common. So this is an empty set. No any member in D intersection E. This is the right answer. See the question. Question is what? A die is thrown where event A number less than 7 and event C a multiple of 2. We have to find A minus C. That means remove the element of C from A. So first you find what is the member of event A. So event A number less than 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And C equal to what? A multiple of 2. A multiple of 3. This is what? Multiple of 3. So multiple of 3 is only 2, 3 and C. So this is 3 and this is 6. Now we have to find A minus C. Remove the element of C from A. So remove 3C. You will get 1, 2, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 4, 5 is the right answer. See the question. Question is what? That is a die is thrown where D event a number less than 4 and E event an even number greater than 4. Then find D minus C. So for this type of question, first you find member of element of D and E. So what is the member of D? D is what? A number less than 4. So this is 1, 2, 3 only. And E is a event even number greater than 4. So only there is a 6. Now we have to find D minus C. Means what? Remove the element of E from D. So there is a no element of E present in D. So D minus C is what? That is 1, 2, 3. This is the correct answer. See the question. The question is what? A die is thrown where event E an even number greater than 4 and event F a number not less than 3. Then find E intersection F dash, that is F naught. So for this type of question, first you find number of element, member of event E. So an even number greater than 4, that is only 6. And there is a F, a number not less than 3. So that is 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to find F dash. So F dash is what? That is sample space minus F. So sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So F is 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 4, 5, 6 remove. So this is F dash. We have to find E intersection F dash. So E intersection F dash. So E is this 6 and F dash is what? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 have no any common. So our answer is again empty set, correct answer.